her continue on, just recording what you're recording, so that way we don't have a break.
Excellent, thank you. Very smart. Oh, I hope this is my good side. Oh, let's see. Upside down. All right. Yeah, clearly there's a break in the beam right at the center of the beam, the flashlight beam. It's definitely cracked. It's clearly cracked. In fact, the second beam also shows the same angle displacement. So the second beam is cracked. So you've got two beams that are cracked. And that is clearly the source of the depression. You've also got some black mold. Apparently, it appears black in the back. And along some of the sides, here's the black mold. Minor by comparison. And it's only on the concrete, or I should say visible on the concrete. And actually, here's some black mold there. It's clearly mold, and it's clearly black on top of the white. And you've also got this residual, it looks like starting to form stalactites in a sap-like looking fashion, and they're clearly throughout. So this is about the extent that I can get on this camera. If you'd like me to bring that camera.
Take the wax out of it. I know.
Okay, there is the crack in the beam, right at the center of the flashlight beam, and the second beam beyond it, which the beam is showing brightest white right now, is clearly at the same angle, but it looks like fungus has grown over the crack. It may have cracked first even. And the black mold is in the flashlight beam now. It looks like a spotty bunch of insects on the wall. Here is more black mold. You can see the true color of the wood here showing the grain, and then here it's black and clustular. Here's white mold. Here's the stalactites on the ceiling. They're protruding down at about 3/16 of an inch to 1/4 inch. That one looks like 5/16 of an inch. And more white mold stalactites here, hanging down about 1.5 inches. And this is just one example in a small area. The whole place is just covered with fungus. The floor is not wet or drippy. It does feel moist, but it's definitely not a leak. In fact, there are no sounds of dripping. There are no pipes visible. There are no cracks visible in the foundation. And here's your camera. And there's appears little else that I can do when I'm down here. Is there anything else you'd like me to check or get?
Heather?
Yeah, we need, can this sample go in a plastic thing?
Okay. Samples. Could
Can
you?
go in plastic?
Yes, it can go in plastic.